Hey YouTube, I'm here to show you my brand new Adidas Ultraboost 21 Vivid Red that I purchased from Amazon. Please subscribe and like the video. Now, I purchased this on Amazon mid-March. I placed the order. It was out of stock but coming soon. I got this for $187 mid-March. Shipped to me about mid-April. Just received it this week. Here's the tag on the side of the box. This is a little puncture that I saw, not a big deal. Got this from Amazon for $187. Regular price is $250 from the Adidas store. These are Canadian prices. This is the Ultraboost tissue on the box, in the box. Here are the shoes, looking really good. Nice, beautiful red. Let me take the other one out. Okay, let's have a look at the shoes. A nice, beautiful red. Once again, this is Ultraboost 21 Vivid Red. Really stands out. Let me show you the shoe. Looks way better in person. Probably better than looking through the camera or through your monitors. I saw this downtown Toronto at the Yonge and Dundas Adidas store, and I really liked the color. Now this is a nice vivid red. What I really liked about it was this nice black streak here. Makes the shoe look really bold. The colors already stands out. But having this nice black stripe really complements the color. Now let me show you the tag. There's the back. There's the front of the tag, size 10.5 men's. Ultraboost sign there. Let me show you all the angles. Inside, it says Prime Knit here. Not sure if you can see it, but on the inside of the shoes, it says Prime Blue, made with partly ocean plastic. So these shoes are made out of 75% recycled material. Let me keep showing you all the views. Continental rubber. So this will give us good friction on all type of weather conditions on the ground. I don't know if you can see it here, but it says Adidas LAP technology. So this is the new torsion system that provides 15% in bending stiffness. Here's the boost. Really beautiful color. And let me see if I can get you some better angles of the shoe.